In this video, we will explore the concept of Git Packfiles. Packfiles play a crucial role in how Git efficiently stores repository data. Let's dive in to understand how they work. Git stores all the content of your repository as objects within the .git/objects directory. Each of these objects is uniquely identified using a SHA-1 hash. There are 4 primary types of objects. First, the blob, which typically represents file content. Second, the tree, which represents directories. Third, the commit, which represents a snapshot of your repository. And fourth, the tag, which is a named reference to a specific point in your history. Initially, these objects are stored as individual files, known as loose objects. Storing each file version as a separate object leads to some problems. It can result in inefficient storage, especially for large repositories. Managing thousands of small files can negatively impact file system performance. And network transfers become slow when dealing with a large number of objects. Packfiles provide a solution by combining multiple objects into a single file and storing only the deltas, or differences, between objects. This significantly reduces storage requirements and improves network transfer efficiency. A Packfile is Git's solution for efficiently storing and transferring repository data. It is a single file that contains multiple Git objects. Packfiles use delta compression to reduce the size of the repository. A Packfile consists of 2 files, one with a .pack extension and another with a .idx extension. These files are typically created during operations like git gc, git push, or git fetch. The .pack file contains the actual compressed objects, while the .idx file serves as an index to help Git quickly locate objects within the pack file. Delta compression is a key technique used in Packfiles. Instead of storing complete copies of similar files, Git stores the base version and only the differences or deltas between versions. As you can see, there is a base version of the file. Then the delta instructions describe how to transform the base version into the modified version. The delta instructions include operations such as copy and insert. By applying these instructions, Git can reconstruct the modified version from the base version, which saves a significant amount of space. Git provides several commands to work with Packfiles. The git gc command performs garbage collection and creates Packfiles. The git repack command is used to repack loose objects into Packfiles. The git verify pack command validates the contents of a Packfile. And git count objects command displays the object count and size of the repository. In the example, you can list Packfiles in the .git/objects/pack directory. You can also use git verify pack to examine Packfile contents. Packfiles are created in several situations. This includes automatic garbage collection, which is triggered by the git gc command. Network operations such as git push and git fetch also initiate Packfile creation. Cloning a repository using git clone will also create Packfiles. Lastly, manual repacking using the git repack command will result in Packfile creation. Git automatically decides when to create Packfiles based on repository size and the number of loose objects. The threshold for this can be configured in Git settings. Packfiles offer several significant benefits. One of the primary benefits is storage efficiency. They reduce repository size through delta compression. Packfiles also improve performance by reducing the number of files, which leads to faster file system operations. Network transfers are accelerated because smaller data size and fewer files make cloning, fetching, and pushing much faster. Git handles Packfile creation and maintenance automatically, optimizing repository storage without requiring manual intervention. In conclusion, Packfiles are a critical component of Git that enable it to efficiently handle repositories of any size. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.